morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh my God, excuse the morning crush. Jesus Christ. Lord. So, welcome back to my channel. My name is Meah. If you're new here, if you're not new here, thanks for coming back, girl. I love you. I appreciate you. You my dog. I am going on a little trip today, a girl's trip, so I have so much stuff to do. I have like 2 more videos to film, and I have to still pack. I have not packed anything because, yeah, I just haven't packed. What else I have to do? I have to pack for my kids because they're going to my mom's. It's so much stuff I have so much stuff to do, but I just wanted to come check in with y'all real quick, see how y'all feeling, how y'all doing, and just let y'all know, like, your girl is going to Houston, Texas. I'm going to Texas, y'all. My friend moved out there. She literally just packed her shit and left, and I'm like, I feel that girl. So yeah, she moved out there, and I just been missing her. Me and my other friend, we just been missing her, and we're like, we gotta go to Texas. Like, we gotta go visit Buki. So we're getting on a plane. And we're just gonna go see Sugarfoot and love on her for the weekend. Like, that's basically the plan. Like, sis, how you been? You like it out here? Like, she moved out there, like, I don't know. I'm just so proud of her. Alright, y'all, so I'm at the airport. I got me some food. My flight was delayed, but we're still moving. Okay. When I went to Disneyland, I had to throw my tripod away, so it's gonna be a struggle. I'm gonna look through it.
I mean, that's what we could do. We could wait. Yeah, we could wait.
It smells like weed. You need to really let her know, because she's going to think it's us. Are going to try to say it's us. Yeah, let's flip this coin, bitch.
What are y'all doing? Y'all flipping the coin?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you better win that motherfucker.
I'm just saying, I'm the oldest. I'm the oldest.
But I'm trying to be fair. She's gonna cry.
Bitch, I ain't gonna cry. Oh, wait.
I'm obsessed with this bed though. This is so nice.
crawfish, so I think I'm gonna try that. All right, y'all. So I got the trio, and that came with red beans and rice. What is this? No, I was just telling them what I got. I don't remember. What was this here?
BB's
Crawfish etouffee. I think that's this. Oh, and then this is gumbo, and then I got some garlic bread. I got me a little sprizzy. Oh, that's gumbo, and then that's the this red beans and rice.
Oh, y'all got like a
Yeah.
platter. Oh, y'all smart.
What you get?
I got gumbo.
Okay.
It's good. Have to take a little.
Let's take
a little bitey bite.
And then she got the same thing as me.
You got the same thing as me.
And we're about to just eat. So it's like 8:50 right now, and we just got some groceries from Walmart. Cause y'all know it don't be nothing at Airbnb. So I got some pineapple chunks. Andrea Childish asked wanted some fruit snacks. I got me some Caesar salad dressing. I got some salad chips. Some Sprites. Noodles. Just like some stuff that I can just like wake up and eat. I got me 2 bananas. Let me check this. Oh, okay, because you know, you usually have a sticker. You usually have a sticker, but you know, stickers are just closed, so I guess that works. So I got lemonade, so it could be a chaser. That everything. I thought I got 2 salads. I guess I just got 1. So and a salad. I really thought I got 2. Why would I get a whole thing just for you? Whatever. Alright, so I'm about to start putting this stuff up.
I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. All summer, all summer, $4-5, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours, like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. One in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they going down me, we going down to, let me be honest, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy.
Contract. Top one's just staying that only you could drive the rental. Bottom one's staying at $7 I want to reach on the contract. We're going to update you with the payment.
Alright, y'all, we in the audio, whatever. Look at the lighting because of the. Telling y'all, it's about to be lit. Now we about to drive off the lot.
Period. In our new car.
Everybody is dressed. I think Andrea is still getting dressed, but everyone is getting dressed. I'm dressed. Ryan, what you looking like? Outfit check. Beauty supply. Beauty supply.
Oh, we should do that, but I don't like how my shorts look on my
Shein. Y'all, my shoes are so fire.
With the shaper by Shein.
fire, huh? Alright, bitch, don't be over there all quiet. Is she quiet? She over there quiet.
Are you normally quiet?
Yeah. Yeah, that's how.
I don't know. You don't have to talk.
Oh, no. When I'm drunk, y'all, I'm not quiet.
Okay, serious.
That's for you.
Look, that's for you.
That's for you. Y'all going
That's for you.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true, nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, the dick, I'm throwing a fit. Right around the
Giannis.